Welcome, folks, to a session on Power BI. Choosing the right BI visualization tool with AI capabilities is sometimes a challenge for an organization. Well, let me help you out here by narrating a story using Power BI with Paris 2024 Summer Olympics data. The story begins with 206 countries, of which 11,000 plus participants participated with the inspiration of winning a medal. There were 1,000 plus opportunities. 78 countries won at least one medal. So per year, what we find is Power BI provides us cards, option of images, graph, and tables to narrate our story. Olympics generates global interest. Hence, the interactive bubble map with the interactive grid is always a good option which we can leverage. Let's skim through the dark view and let's get to venues. Paris Olympics was held in five different zones. Power BI does provide us a tree map view using which we can group the different venues together. This being interactive, you can click on the different venues and see its representation on the map. We can skim through the events list and go to the winners list. Over here, we want quick and easy way to identify the winners on any particular day. So Power BI does have many third-party controls or charts which we can use. One of such is the date range control. Over here, you can either select one day or a range of days, and then further narrow it down to the country and also medals. Or if you need, we can also narrow it down by the sports. Over here, we can compare the top three countries, can use the cluster bar chart. Here we see that US is doing pretty good in athletics and swimming, whereas overall China is caught up on swimming and overall doing pretty good. UK is doing pretty good in cycling. Probably there's a lot more tracks there. We'll skip the timeline view and go to the AI Q&A section. So this is where we predict most users will spend their time. Over here, Power BI has provided us a couple of options using all our data set. Alternatively, we are free to type our own questions. For example, winner by day, where country code is USA, and sorted by, say, gender. Or like we see it's sorted by gender now. Alternative, we can further add to it, and winner is Bobby Vinci. Awesome. Alternatively, we can ask a totally different set of questions. So here it is showing us the top 50 sports. We can further ask it to show it in form of a line chart or a list, or for that matter, a pie chart. Awesome. Here we are on the AI-based key influences report. Power BI is big on this. Over here, Power BI calculates the factors which can influence the matrix. In this case, the total medals. So let's take an hypothetical example. Let's say the sports school system is strong, then can go up by 6.7%. Or if parents makes time, it can go up by 5.65%. Again, this is just hypothetical example. Please don't take it literally. So when we develop the report, Power BI does provide a mobile canvas wherein we can rearrange, remove, add components. And when we publish the reports to Power BI's cloud service, the mobile views also gets published. You can then use the Power BI's app to view the reports. That brings us towards the end of the session. Here are the references without which this demo wouldn't have been possible. Here's a disclaimer. Please excuse me for any errors. Finally, thanks to all the viewers. Thanks to Olympics and everyone involved. Thanks to Microsoft Power BI for building such a great product.